Hello friends, how are you? I hope you are good. Today we are going to discuss about the books for MBBS first year. So here, as a teacher belongs to biochemistry, we will discuss about the first year's books of all subject. First we'll discuss about the what are the standard books and what are the reference books. The standard books, they give manual instructions of all branches study, and the reference books means it contains the useful facts of well organized information as an encyclopedia, atlas, and handbooks, as well as dictionaries. So here, this is the difference between the standard and the reference books. Textbook, they do not contain facts. Reference books, they contain facts. And the textbooks gives the information of all matters. A reference books gives the information about the specific matter, as well as the standard books, they do not specify the facts, or they do not concentrate on facts, but the reference books, they concentrate on the facts. Textbooks have the limited chapters study to get through the examination, and reference books, they have the study for the pupils for the assignments. So this is the difference between the standard books and the reference books. First we'll see the books belongs to anatomy for the first MBBS. Here the anatomy books, the first book, that is textbook of B.D. Chaurasia, and its volumes are first to 4 volumes are there, and it is a very fine book as far as my knowledge is concerned. I am not belongs to anatomy, but I see in the colleges, I saw in the colleges that the students, they refer this book. Another book of the anatomy is textbook of anatomy by Inderbir Singh, and the human histology by Inderbir Singh. So these are the books belongs to anatomy for first year MBBS. The books belongs to physiology, that is by A.K. Jain, first and second volume, and this book is, as far as my knowledge is concerned, it is in easy language for the Asian students, and they should use this book. So this book is belongs to the first year MBBS, first volume of A.K. Jain, and the second volume of A.K. Jain is here. So these books are very important for the first year MBBS, as well as you can have new edition of this author also. The second book is textbook of Guyton and Hall. This book is a very fine book for the foreign peoples, because the language is very hard one. The English language is hard. This textbook of Guyton and Hall. The another book, some people they use, some students they use Essential of Medical Physiology by K. Semulingam, Prema Semulingam, and this book is for the theories. And now we'll see the practical book for the physiology. As far as my knowledge is concerned, the students they use the practical book by Vijaya D. Joshi and Sadhana D. Joshi. This book is nice for the first year MBBS student, so they should use this. So now we'll see my subject biochemistry. As far as the biochemistry, medical biochemistry is concerned, the universities of some states of India, they recommend the book Satyanarayan, Biochemistry by Satyanarayan, Medical Biochemistry by Vasudevan, and Lippincott, Satyanarayan or Vasudevan. But these books are also difficult to understand, they should use Pankaja Nayak, the medical biochemistry or biochemistry by Pankaja Nayak. It's a very nice book. It is having in a easy language, having charts, tables, and answers in short. So you should use this Pankaja Nayak. I think so. The reference books for the biochemistry is Harper's book. Harper book is meant for the reference book, and Leninger. Leninger is a very fantastic book, and it is a book belongs to the author Leninger and Harper book. These are the two important reference books for the medical students, and the practical book the student should use for the practical. I think, as per as my knowledge, D.M. Vasudevan and Subir Kumar Das is a fine book for the first year MBBS students, and it is having the formulas and the diagrams as well as principles of the test. It is one of the important books. So it is all about the books for the first year MBBS students. If you like my lecture, share it, subscribe it. Thank you very much.